Alright, so 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, sahabat Al-Markaz, wherever you are, we are back again with us in a Bemci Corner English discussion. Alright, guys, so yeah, in this afternoon, today, Friday, right? Yes. Friday, and this is the last day before we are going to Wuhan. So hopefully you can enjoy our conversation, guys. And today I'm here. I'm Nofer Mufli. I'm here as a host for all of you guys. And beside me, there are also our speakers for today's afternoon. And before we are going to discuss and talk more about our topic for this afternoon, maybe it's gonna be great if we can know each other. Yeah. So you guys, you have to introduce yourself one by one, and what is your name, what is your hobbies, and also what is your role in Bemsi. All right. First, maybe in the middle. Yeah.
Sini, sini dulu.
Oh, okay. Okay. Uh, the first speaker will be you.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and nice to meet you.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Uh, the welcome Al-Markan listener.
Uh-huh.
My name is Fikr Mazaki. You can call me Fikri.
Fikri, yeah.
Yes, Fikri.
Mhm.
My hobby is reading.
And what you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, so you are a student, right?
Yeah, I'm a student of State Polytechnic of Ujung Pandang.
Wow. So how about your role in BEMSI?
Oh, okay. I am a participant in Bemci.
Active participants,
Yeah,
right?
participants.
And yeah, maybe you can explain or tell us a little bit about BEMSI in your opinion.
Okay. Bemci is one of the parts of English club in South Sulawesi that help people to improve their English speaking
Wow, yeah,
communication.
Okay. So thank you, Kak Fikri. Okay.
You-
We move to the middle one. Okay. You can introduce yourself. And what do you do until now? So, and also your role in this.
I'm newbie here. Okay, hi, Marcus, wherever you are. Yes, I'm coming here, but I am a speaker right now. Yes, I'm not a host right now. Yes, let me introduce myself. My name is Samsahri Diaz. You can call me Kasem or Kak Diaz. Both
Sam.
of them are true, and I live in Goa.
What
My
is your
hobby-
business? Your business right now.
My business. I'm freelancer. Freelancer of everything. Yes, I am. How to say? My hobby is listen to the music. I like communicate each other. Communication. I mean,
Yeah.
I like gather people. Yes, I until now I still watching television. Yes, I still watching television.
Beside our generations, more likely to watch YouTube.
Yeah, beside watch YouTube, I watching television still because sometimes we cannot access in YouTube and television.
Yeah.
Yes, because I like local wisdom. Yeah, so I love local wisdom. I love our country.
Yeah.
Yes. My role.
Yeah, your role
Yes,
in this.
I don't know my role is.
Secret.
Should I tell you some Marcus? Yes. Well, okay. My role at Bemci is I am a founder
Wow.
of Bemci. I am a producer also here. Oh my god.
Speaker, the producer.
I am a creator of this.
Wow.
It's funny because today I am a speaker. Yeah, normally because I am a human being, I would like to be a speaker also here. So that's why I appoint you to be host. Well, I am a speaker.
Thank you for the opportunity.
You're welcome.
Yeah, we would like to thank to all of you, to you guys.
So for Bemci, I think Bemci is one of English meeting club in Indonesia, but Bemci is still new. But our activity in BMC, we have a four main agenda. There are offline meeting, yeah, at Sunday, 1 until 5 p.m. And the second is we have online meeting every um, 8 p.m. until 10 p.m. every Friday.
Yeah.
Yes. And the third is we have a podcast like this every Friday 4 until 5 p.m. And the fourth is we have an extracurricular.
Hmm.
Yes.
And the important one is free of charge, right?
And the podcast is free of charge. And the one and only English Meeting Club have a podcast only us.
Wow. Make applause. Nice.
So if you want to be here like
Mhm.
us, just come to Bemci and we would like to invite you to come here.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's true.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Kasem. And yeah, we move to the last speaker. Yeah. You can introduce yourself and what do you do today in your everyday life, and also what's your role in BEMC?
Thank you for opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for having me,
Yeah.
Sahabat Al-Markaz. I'm an active participant in Bemci.
Wait. What's your name? So you were nervous.
I'm Muhammad Inandas.
Yeah.
Originally, I'm Buginess from.
Beginners.
For now, I stay in Thai.
Daya. Wow. In your planet.
Now I'm preparing to as lecturer.
Yeah.
This
Wow.
uh, moment
Mm-hmm.
I have a job in uh, German system in
Cermin custom. Mm-hmm. Wow.
job there in Daya.
That's great. Yeah. What is your hobby?
Sometimes I spend time to reading a book, and
Mm-hmm.
especially for learning,
Uh-huh.
I spend time to work and jogging.
So you spend your time. You make a like quality time for your own self.
Oh, say we want something to refresh,
Mhm.
and I think workout is big benefit
Uh,
to body and to
and also, yeah, your role in BEMC, and you can explain a little bit about BEMC, in your opinion.
yep. I'm active,
Mm-hmm.
and I think Bemci is great community.
Mm-hmm.
Qatar and Bemci this special place. I meet a special
Wow. Yeah.
Sam, and yeah, try to increase our English in BMC. We get a relation with good people there.
Okay, thank you, Kak Nandas, Kak Sam, and also Kak Fikri. All right, so before we are going to the main item, I want to check your spirit, guys. If I say BMC, you say more fun, more confident, more impact. Okay, repeat after me. BMC, more confident, more impact. Okay, once again. BMC, more fun, more confident, more impact. Like, all right, make applause. All right, guys. So, today we are going to talk about something. I think it's very a big part of our everyday life. I mean, like, it's actually like, it's very important thing. Like, we have to. It is something like, it can make us safe from awkward situation. I mean, like, it can make us safe. I mean, like, it can make a good connection between other people, because we are going to talk about sense of humor, right? Okay, you know who humor, guys?
Yeah.
Humor.
I know, I know.
Mhm. Okay.
I know you. Right?
Kala- it's not only about being funny. I mean, like, it's like, it means like we have to understand each other. We have to more make a good connection. All right, and yeah, maybe we can start with a simple question for you guys. Uh, I'm a little bit confused about what makes you usually laugh maybe in a day. What usually makes you laugh? Maybe Kak Fikri.
To be honest, it's quite sensitive actually.
Mm-hmm.
To be honest, because if we're talking about the humor, I think my take of humor quiet. sensitive
Mhm.
because,
Really?
well, to be honest, it's quite sensitive because I think if I say this comedy to
Mhm.
the other people, I think,
You say jokes.
yeah, I say
Mhm.
jokes to the
Uh-huh.
people, I think the citizen will be my enemy.
Really?
To be honest, it's quite sensitive. To be
Oh
honest,
yeah,
sometimes when I with my
yeah.
friends,
Mhm.
I tell them the
Mhm.
jokes.
Mhm.
What are you saying?
Oh yeah.
But even though they understand
Uh-huh.
perfectly,
Mhm.
well, we will laugh together.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Even we uh, give jokes together.
Mhm.
They tell us the jokes.
Yeah.
We I tell them my jokes. They
Uh-huh.
will tell the jokes.
Their jokes. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Hey,
Yeah.
to be honest, it's quite sensitive.
All right, keep your statement. We move to Kak Sam. So, how about you? What usually makes you laugh in everyday life?
To make me laughing, it's not difficult actually because I am the happy. I'm the smiley one.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I'm
Yeah.
happy, my daily is
Mhm.
happy. So
Mm.
even I see the how to say the kids.
Mhm.
The
Mhm.
kids
Yeah,
is
yeah,
very comical,
yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a cute, cute.
yeah, make me laughing. If I
Yeah.
say the cats playing with their kids,
Mhm. Yeah.
their kids or their how to say with cats, yeah,
With the other cats.
other
Yeah.
cats.
Mhm.
It's funny for me. I loving. If I see like the artists on the TV, but he or she or their body language funny, of course, automatically I'm laughing.
Yeah.
So I am included. I'm also a human being. I'm included of people who
Mhm.
is not difficult to loving.
Yeah. In our country, we say like reche, right?
Yes.
Reche.
Yes, even though Reche, I'm loving.
So I mean like it's more possible if their everything can make you laugh.
Yes,
Mhm.
yes, but
Uh-huh.
don't loving if you alone.
It makes someone say, "Oh, I can't."
When it's when totally different. Yeah, someone told me,
Yeah.
what happened to you? Are you crazy?
Yeah. They will be say like that.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you laugh alone.
Yeah, I think that's my statement about what
Okay.
makes me laughing.
Okay. Thank you. Keep your statement. We move to Kak Nandas. All right. So how about you? What usually makes you laugh in your everyday life? Maybe something Reche like Kak Sam said before.
I think for me, I cannot say it was special to make a log,
Mm-hmm.
but sometimes a simple thing make me a log when
Mm-hmm.
getting together with my friends
Yeah,
and
yeah.
he
Yeah,
said something.
we said like tongkrongan, right?
Yeah, getting something and suddenly he says something and it's funny.
Mm-hmm.
It's make me laugh.
Maybe your friend give you tamarind.
Yeah. I get, I,
Tamarind,
yeah,
you love, and
I get you.
Yeah.
it's one.
Yeah, I get you.
Okay.
So you can say the person. Who is
No,
it?
no.
Okay. So guys, yeah, in our everyday life, sometimes is being great, being funny. Sometimes it's not. I mean, like it's unexpected, right? Sometimes it's not we planned before. So can you tell us a bit about your experience, especially when you are in your uh, in your circle maybe when you telling jokes and all your friends making laugh also because of your jokes, do you ever experience like that? Yeah, Fernandez maybe. Because you said that you always make some funny things with your circle, with your tongkrongan. Do you ever experience like you make a joke and your friends getting laugh because of your jokes? Do you ever experience like that? Yeah.
I have.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe funny father. My father is funny people.
Really?
Sometimes he tells story,
Mm-hmm.
and that story makes in our house laugh, start laugh.
Is it like jokes father jokes bapak
Dead jokes. Dead jokes.
dead jokes
Father's joke.
father's jokes. Mm. Can you say like the example of your dad's jokes?
Uh, Maybe
Mhm.
father have a story
Mhm.
when he
So he tells a story.
yeah tells
Mm-hmm.
something like his friends selling a motorcycle.
Mm-hmm.
He say
And then
can say the engine of my motorcycle is very strong.
mhm. Yeah, the strengths. Yeah, yeah.
Rock.
What kind of motorcycle is gonna be so strong? Supra, no?
It's not to fly.
Yeah, yeah.
Here, say, okay, no, okay, that's right. I wanna buy it because
Mm.
uh, I can use it to climb in the
Mhm.
tree.
Really?
uh, we start laughing at that moment.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So you experience like in your house when your father make or telling story is like a jokes for you, right? So what about Kak Fikri? Yeah, you said that you also make a joke, but maybe your friend didn't get it your jokes. But do you ever experience the jokes that makes them laugh?
Yeah, to be honest, to be honest, that they know my jokes
Mm-hmm.
quite not quite sensitive. It's very sensitive.
Is it like sarcasm?
Uh one of them.
Really?
One of them.
Or maybe you like something dark jokes.
One one of them
Mhm.
joke.
Okay, so it's a your experience.
And when, for example, like
Uh-huh.
I told them that what I won't tell the jokes actually.
Mhm.
What is the blah 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 blah.
Mhm.
What they suggest
Mhm.
what what I tell them
Uh-huh.
this, they laughed.
Oh, so it means like how to say it's misunderstanding, right?
I understand,
But
and they're laughing. Yeah, to be honest, because if
uh-huh.
we meet the correct person,
Uh-huh.
the perfect person, they will laugh what our jokes, even the same.
Even the response of your friends like what?
They're not like they're not lying.
Yeah.
They really laughing.
Oh,
They really laugh.
like like they become be honest by themselves, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
But to be honest, to be honest, if you want to tell me the jokes, I think it's very sensitive.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, give you a statement. We move to Kasem. How about you?
Your question?
Like your experience. I mean,
Mhm.
like you telling jokes and your friends become laughing.
I think always.
Hmm.
Most of my most
Because
of
you are a funny guy, I think.
not absolutely, because because we are human being. Even
Mhm.
we are funny, sometimes we find the place
Mm-hmm.
that we are not player sometimes.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
For example, if you are funny people, you cannot guarantee that you can funny everywhere.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Sometimes you just make it, you just to be audience
Mm-hmm.
maybe. Yeah, because we are
Yeah,
human being.
in some circle.
Yeah, you know what I mean.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
But I'm sure that Alhamdulillah, yeah,
Mhm.
in my dominant, how to say, environment,
Mhm.
frequently
Yeah, yeah,
I can make people laughing.
yeah, yeah.
But in how to say tertentu, but in specific
Yeah. Moment.
circle,
Uh,
I just to be audience, not to be
yeah.
player. Because back to law, back to um, how to say, kembali ke hukumnya bahwa we are only human being, right? Kita
Yeah,
adalah manusia biasa,
real.
mungkin bisa melucu ke semua orang.
Yeah,
Something.
that's true.
But if you told me about my experience, of course, I frequently make people loving, especially my family.
Uh-huh.
Yes, my relative, my cousin, my brother, my sister, my mom.
Yeah, because we already know each other, right?
Yeah, my members, even in Bemci. Like,
Sometimes make love.
yeah, in my all of circle. So I think, yeah, I think if you're talking about it, I don't know, I cannot calculate how many times I can make loving people, something like that, because everywhere I can make a loving people.
Alright, keep your statement. And yeah, sahabat Al-Markaz, wherever you are, we will be back again at this program, BMC Corner English Discussion in 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz. All right, guys, you are back again in 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, Habat Al-Markaz. Wherever you are back again in Bemci Corner English discussion. All right, so before we are going too far about the our topic for this afternoon, we can check our spirit again.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If I say Bemci, you say the tagline. All right. Bemci. More confidence, more impact. All right, thank you guys. Okay, so yeah, we are talking about sense of humor, right? We're talking about humor, and now I want to make a question like I mean like it's I think it's very deep question for you guys. I think it's very wide maybe. What do you think about the sense of humor in this era? I mean like do you feel like it's universal for us or maybe just for some circle they have some jokes. I think it's very universal like do you know meme
Oh, yeah, I know.
meme no
Love meme.
not Hijay Alpha. We make a joke right.
Sis. Sis.
Yeah. I mean, I want to talk with you guys about meme. I mean, like, is it like universal?
Which one is meme? Stand up comedy?
No. Meme is like something like it's like idea maybe or like picture or videos that are becoming viral in. Yeah, meme. Meme. We said meme. We said meme. Uh-huh.
Meme.
All right.
No.
Uh,
Kind of meme.
no, do you mean like palumeme?
Yeah, I know.
All right, guys. First, I want to maybe talk to you guys about meme. All right. Can you say one meme that you know one meme? Mhm.
Yang nggak tahu kok tanya saya.
Oh, really? Do you know, guys? The sound. It's becoming it's going viral, right?
Really?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's from our our president,
Ex-president,
yeah,
ex-president.
ex-presidents. All right, guys. I have one meme that is very uh, going in my mind. I mean, like, do you know, guys, when there's some video? I mean, like, the like comment of the netizen. Maybe some of you guys ever see this meme when the video or something like uh, they are singing and their voice is not good.
I know.
They will say bagusan. They will say bagusan because when we say something not good in English, we add like an apostrophe T and it's not good. I mean, like the fonts, like and apostrophe, but our netizen, especially in Indonesia, they say bagusan. It's not good. It's not bagus. Yeah, bagusan. Bagus is not.
Bagusan.
Yeah. And yeah, Kasem, do you ever remember like one meme that you feel in your mind?
Oke guys, tambah 2 orang guys. Oke guys, and gambar joget-joget.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's kind of yeah.
Familiar, yeah.
It's going to be viral in 2025.
A few years ago.
Yeah.
So I think talking about the make sense of humor right now is still universal or not, or some circle in the
Yeah.
question, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I still remember your question.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm talking about the reduction or the sentence of the humor. It's not universal because
Oh.
different generation, different humor.
Oh yeah, because there someone said to me a different country, different culture, and
Yeah.
also different jokes between
Right.
country.
The body language is always universal. For example, the body language.
Yeah,
of
can you
For
explain?
example, the body language of almarhum
Mhm.
Olga.
Oh yeah.
Even Gen Z see or watching TV,
Mhm.
even millennial, even baby boomers, they all of generation always
Yeah.
laughing, right?
Yeah, and they know about that.
Yes, yes. Body language of Jirayut. Not the reduction, not the reduction, not of
Yeah,
the
yeah, yeah,
sentence.
yeah.
Yeah, that's why body language is always more universal
Yeah.
than reduction or the sentences.
We say like impersonate, right?
Yes.
Impersonate.
For example, Dilanggirga,
Mhm.
Renanose, if whatever they come from generation Z, millennial, X, baby boomers,
Uh-huh.
of course, absolutely, they will be laughing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, body language is more than higher words
Yeah.
than sentences. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I
That
understand.
is universal. But when you're talking about the stand-up comedy and you produce the sentence, only generation Z and millennial can cut,
Mhm.
but the baby boomers cannot. And also, if the old generation make humor
Mhm.
by sentences or reduction,
Mhm.
automatically Gen Z cannot laughing
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
because different era.
Different era.
But once again, body language, of course, it can make you laughing.
Because it's universal, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Even if you are not speaking,
Mhm.
like Olga, baru mulai start like this, oh
Mhm.
my God, you will loving something.
Oh, and also one example like Mr. Bean.
Mr. Bean.
Right?
Yeah.
He is not talking at all.
Yes, that's why I say body language is more on
Yeah.
or higher than reduction or the sentence.
And it can be remembered by our minds. Mhm.
So if you want to laughing, make it works your body language. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, guys. I move to Kak Nanda. So how about you? About the universality of the how to say like the sense of humor. How about you? Is it like is very uh, relatable with the other country when our maybe our comedian said something like some jokes it's but mm, people in other country don't get it the jokes. So how about you?
Yeah, absolutely.
Mhm.
Sense of humor,
Mhm.
strong, strong influenced by
Yeah.
culture.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's true.
Uh, Maybe sometimes your mind is something is funny.
Mhm.
When you deliver it in the other country,
Uh-huh.
maybe it's not funny. And second is generation.
Mhm.
We have style of funny, the style of humor that is uh, different
Mhm.
by each other generation.
Mhm. Yeah, yeah. So you say like it's very different when we have a different culture. It's there's some case they are not get our jokes, right?
Maybe when you find something,
Uh-huh.
you think it's funny in Indonesia, but
Yeah, in Indonesia,
it's not it's not worth to making lot in foreign
for foreign people. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Africa, in China, in Arab.
Yep. Yeah. From England, Paris, in German. You know the song? Yeah, and yeah, I got something new like what saying said before like body language is something universal because when you say
Even you are
Mhm.
you can't speak
Yeah,
that language.
but you can deliver by your movement,
Yes.
your body movement. It usually become something funny to foreign people, right? Mhm. Okay, so how about the sense of humor when you say our social media in today's era? I mean, like today there's a lot of social media like Instagram and TikTok and also Facebook. Also, they have like some pictures and video, like what we said before. We talk about a meme. Uh, can you tell us your opinion about that? I mean, like, is it like relatable or yeah, for just any generation, maybe ka Sam.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes, for me, I think Um, it's relatable, especially for the Gen Z
Uh-huh.
generation.
Yeah.
You produce
For nowadays,
create,
nowadays
yeah,
generation. Uh-huh.
especially for Gen Z
Mhm,
and
yeah.
half of millennials,
Yeah.
especially for meme. But if the baby boomer generation say it's not relatable,
Hmm?
yeah, it's not relatable.
So how we can make them laugh? Them laugh?
Yeah, automatically you have to be creative and enter to their world.
Uh-huh.
Yes, of course, and um, how to say make emotional or make frequently interaction with them.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. Yeah, yeah,
After
yeah.
that, you can learn what their vocabulary is,
Mm-hmm.
what their habits,
Mm-hmm.
what their jokes, and of
Yeah.
course, because absolutely their jokes is totally different with Gen Z generation,
Mm-hmm.
that generation.
We have to come in sight.
Of course, absolutely. So I think for meme, it's not relatable
Oh.
for the baby boomers, but Gen Z, it's absolutely relatable.
Because they know all about
Yeah,
it.
but we cannot unbeatable about body language because,
Yeah.
of course, back to body language again.
Yeah, that's
Because
true.
body language is universal for any era, any generation,
Uh-huh.
any country, any racial, any nationality.
Okay, so give your statement. We move to Coffee 3. Okay, so how about you? Is it like still relatable for our generation, or maybe it can be relatable for the previous generation? Like the memes, like we talked about before.
Okay,
Mhm.
for me, I think it's depend on the person actually
Mhm.
because for me,
Mm-hmm.
it's quite not relatable.
Mm.
Some meme it's quite not apa what not
Yeah.
relatable. Like
Some generation cannot be relate with the jokes.
for
Mhm.
example, like if we can see the alpha
Uh-huh.
gen alpha
Geneva.
Alpha
to
Indo,
No, it's a different.
okay.
Uh, like it's going too far.
if I see the gen alpha joke,
Uh-huh.
to be honest, I cannot understand.
Okay.
Even though like it's what meme is right to gens, I think
Mhm.
it's helpful,
Mhm.
but not all of the meme.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, if you're talking about the previous,
Yeah.
if you're talking about the previous
Mhm.
generation, I think it's depend on the person again.
Mhm.
Because if you see the mindset, most
Mhm.
of them like yeah, they still have the mindset. They only
Yeah.
uh
Uh-huh.
not most my little bit of them. They have mindset like us.
Yeah, yeah.
One in at the time where we was talking with
Uh-huh.
the act.
Yeah.
We laugh it together. Even though in the
Yeah, 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 yeah. I know the situation. Yeah, yeah.
in the apa in the about
They're
pikiran mereka
and around.
around them,
Uh-huh.
most of them Gen Z,
Mhm. Yeah, 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 yeah.
millennial. Most of them are laughing,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
not because we respect them, no, because
Mhm.
it's really funny.
Mhm.
So I think it depends on the person again.
Yeah.
You cannot say that all of them like we cannot understand the jokes because
Mhm.
they just it's
But
depend on the person.
some situation we can get their jokes,
Yeah,
right?
so in some situation.
Okay, guys, we will be back again in 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, Bemci Corner English Discussion. Bagus lagi bahas di bagus apa lagi negatif positif tadi. 99.6 Radio Al-Markaz, sahabat Al-Markaz, wherever you are, we are back again in Bemci Corner English Discussion. Alright guys, if I say Bemci, you say the tagline. Bemci, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Alright, once again. Bemci, more fun, more confidence, more impact. Alright, thank you guys. Okay, so we talked more about a sense of humor, and uh, I feel like confused about your opinion about a sense of humor. I mean, like, I have a question. What do you think about the negativity of humor itself? I mean, like, should we have to limit our jokes to somebody else? I mean, like, should we think or consider the feeling of the other people when we say or telling them the jokes? Do you get do you get it?
Yes.
I mean, like,
Should we limit our jokes to the other people because we have to consider the feeling of them?
spread the joke,
Yeah.
the jokes. Okay,
Okay,
I get it.
okay. You get it?
Yeah, yeah, I get it.
Okay, so maybe you can answer my question first.
Yeah, I think it is a person who have the unnormal jokes
Mhm.
in society.
Normal. Yeah.
Unnormal jokes in society. I
Yeah,
think I have
we usually say it like dark jokes, really?
yeah, dark jokes.
Like sarcasm.
I think
Uh-huh.
dark chocolate it's more interesting.
Dark chocolate is more delicious. Okay,
To be
continue,
honest, I
continue,
don't know
continue.
why that
Uh-huh.
if I tell them the person who really don't like jokes, I
Mhm.
think, bruh, don't say that again, please.
Bruh.
To be honest, it's quite awkward, you know?
Yeah,
To
yeah.
be honest, it's quite awkward.
Yeah,
Ah.
like in the open public, we say some jokes. I mean, like it's very it's becoming relatable with the other person. But
Yeah.
sometimes we have to limit our jokes
Yeah.
because we say it like baper, yeah.
Yeah,
The
baper.
person who sometimes baper. I mean, like they sensitive,
Sensitive person.
with some jokes. Mhm.
Maybe because he that the korban itu
Yeah.
uh, the victim.
We didn't know the background of
Yeah, we
themselves.
didn't know that, but I think we have to. In my case,
You
in my
really?
case, I think I have to limit it. Person who want, who I have to want to spread my joke.
Okay, so we have to limit it,
Yeah,
right?
for me. In my
For you.
case.
Okay, so what about you, Kanandas? Should we have to limit our jokes, limit our humor, our sense of humor to the other person because we consider and think about the feeling of them?
Yeah.
Mhm.
I think, yeah, absolutely. To less awkward, we
Mhm.
have to make funny atmosphere sometimes. But instead of that, we have to respect.
Mhm.
We have to make a line.
Yeah.
When to say it, when
Mhm.
to over my joke,
Mhm.
when to refer my jokes,
Oh, yeah.
when to stop.
We have to know the timing,
Yeah, the timing.
and when we start to make jokes with the other people. Really?
And
Yeah, the moment.
yeah, and we have to how to say respect our
Yeah, that's the
about,
point.
about
Their
people
feeling.
background.
Mm-hmm.
Your
Mm-hmm.
how to say teman bicara.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
We have to know where is my
Your friend from
your partner.
scavenger,
It's good.
for example.
Yeah,
Yes,
And they have like trauma.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Keep your
Sell-
statement.
Yeah.
Sell the Quran.
Correct. Newspaper. Newspaper. Really? Really use Quran?
correct.
Quran.
Yeah, but
Quran.
Quran.
Yes, Quran.
Newspaper.
Yes,
Okay. Yeah. We move to KSM. So how about you?
Yes.
Okay, jokes again.
Yes. Say body language, right? Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, continue.
So, how about you? Should we have to limit our jokes to the other people because we have to consider the feeling of the people around us?
It is.
Mhm.
It is.
Okay, so
I mean, it's
Yeah.
absolutely.
you already experienced it, right?
It is because everybody is totally absolutely
Mhm.
different
Different.
characteristic,
Yeah.
different personality.
Mhm.
Yes, different characteristics. So of course we have to read the situation, read the characters, read the moments.
Yes, that's true.
Even you are very creative, even you are stand-up comedian, even you
Mhm.
are a humor people, but you absolutely have to see the situation, the people, the characteristic, because yes, sometimes we cannot predict that we can hurt
Yeah.
someone. Even we are not hurt actually. But
Yeah.
see,
We didn't mean to.
yeah,
Right?
yeah, we
Mhm.
didn't mean to see or he or them
Yeah.
like feel hurt. Even
Mhm.
we
Yeah.
don't.
Sometimes we didn't mean to hurt
Yeah,
themselves, right?
so we aim to, but yeah, we cannot be, because we cannot control their mind. We cannot control their uh, opinion. We cannot
Yeah.
control their mood, and that's why be careful. Yeah, I mean, if we produce our jokes,
Mhm.
yeah, we have to creative. We have to precise
Yeah.
to create the joke, something like that, and uh, utamanya. How to say utamanya?
Mhm.
How to say utamanya? Utamanya is talking about racial, religion.
Oh yeah.
Yes, classes,
Yeah, that's
golongan.
right. That's right.
Yes,
Mhm.
your skin, your
Yeah.
body.
We have to be careful about that.
Yes.
If we're telling jokes with the topic.
But exception, if you already make a deal before you jokes, for example, on program TV,
Yeah,
on
we
program
already
TV,
make a briefing.
briefing first. Hey, Bray, hey bro, sebentar saya singgung bibir kamu ya, kamu jangan marah ya.
Yeah.
Before and after that, of course, she or he attack their lip, his lips, his lip. And
Yes.
of course, she or he or them is not sensitive because
Mhm.
uh, or because all of them are already make a deal, briefing,
Plan
make a
before.
plan. Yes, but if you do spontaneous,
Wow.
make it sure first on your mind.
You will have a new case.
Yes, jangan gegabah, guys, because sometimes humor is not just positive but also negative things, and that's why humor is dua sisi mata uang.
Yeah.
If you create humor, uh, uh, be careful because don't create two sides, positive and negative.
Yes. We have
That's
to
my
be
opinion.
we have to be careful because
Yes,
they have a negative side
it is.
about sense of humor. I
It
mean,
is.
like if we didn't make like some briefing before we telling jokes, it's very how to say, it's very dangerous, right?
Definitely,
Uh-huh.
definitely.
Definitely. Okay. Yeah, talking about humor, and today we know like a new job about humor. Humor become job. Yeah. Yeah. We already tells like comedian. It's become a freelance or like yeah, we become a professional job right now. So what do you think about a stand-up comedian in this era? Uh, in this era, especially in Indonesia, stand-up comedian of Indonesia. So how about you, Kanandas?
Uh, yeah, in this era,
Mm-hmm.
uh, eh, uh, we can find big opportunity to making
Mhm.
money. One of that,
Yeah.
be a comedian,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it's okay, but
Okay.
okay,
I just say okay. Why are you laughing?
You make jokes again.
yeah, but how to say, uh, maybe maybe some of comedian in
Mhm.
Indonesia, uh, yeah,
Yeah, I mean, like, how about the challenge become a stand-up comedian in this era? The challenge.
the challenge.
Uh-huh.
I think based on
Mhm.
Panji Pragiwaksono story,
Mhm.
he is a successful successful comedian in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Uh, he decided to start life in New York,
New York, yeah.
and
Because
he
what?
he gets struggle at there. He get struggle at there because uh, the strong how to say the strong pengaruh influence, the strong
Influence, yeah.
influence of humor is a culture.
Yeah.
Influence you means
Yeah. Yeah.
No, no, no.
Maybe sometimes the something is funny in Indonesia, but not
Yeah.
funny in New York.
America. We have a different culture, so they have a big obstacle to make a jokes in New York, right?
Yeah.
We have a different culture, different jokes, so they have to make strong influence there. Okay, keep your statement. We move to Kak Fikri. So, how about you, the stand-up comedian in today's era? I mean, like, what is the challenge, and
No, come on, it's safe.
what do you think about that job? Because stand-up comedian right now is a professional job.
I think it's no problem with the
Mhm.
job yeah, as long as they want. I think,
Mhm.
but however, I think it's quite dangerous.
Yeah,
Dangerous job because why?
dangerous job.
To be honest, I have to mention that
Uh-huh.
because as
your experience?
no, no, not my experience. Because,
You watch
you know what I
the
watch,
stand-up comedian. Uh-huh.
I at who someone that like to watch sarcasm.
Uh-huh.
Think, yeah, you know what I mean. That sometimes the comedian criticism government,
Mm-hmm.
and government didn't accept that. I think it's so that's why I think it's quite dangerous. Yeah,
Yeah.
if you if the we can say the
Mhm.
people in
Mhm.
there, it's sensitive,
Yeah.
especially if they have a power.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, okay. So you mean, yeah, like it's the stand-up comedian is a very dangerous job in
Dangerous,
today's
not
era.
very. It's dangerous job.
It's
One of
dangerous
the dangerous job.
if you can take it as good as possible, right?
Yes, if they can manage, if
Yeah,
they can, and they control
Mm-hmm.
the joke.
Yeah.
Because I saw in the social media one of the stand-up comedian
Mm-hmm.
make a joke in front of the police.
Yeah, it's become a competition.
Yeah, it's become potential, and they make a sarcasm.
Yeah.
I think if in the context of that,
Mm-hmm.
I think they make a deal before. I think no problem with that. You if you don't make a deal before, I
Yeah.
think take
Take
yourself.
care. Take care. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Kafikri. And yeah, I think this is my last question to all of you guys. I mean, like, what is your message or the positivity that we can get after we talk more about sense of humor? Maybe Kasem, yeah, want to tell us about the message.
Yes, wherever you are, whenever you are, just be nice, just be humorous, but don't make hurt someone.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful to be um, speak,
Mm-hmm.
be wise and flexible
Flexible.
to be human being.
All right.
Because if we flexible to be human being, we cannot go everywhere.
Mm-hmm.
We can save, and everyone can receive us.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the point.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kasem. Yeah, maybe Kak Nandas want to say his message to sahabat Almarkas.
Yeah. The main thing,
Mhm.
first of all, sense of joy is not like it's not just like making other people laugh,
Yeah,
but
but
instead of that, that's mean how to see, think, and how to respond a situation. Uh, and you know, today is we have a responsibility, we have goals, we have problem, and we need something to refresh that.
Yeah.
And the sense of humor, one a great way to
Uh-huh.
make our life is easier.
Okay, thank you, Ganandas. All right, so yeah, that's all our conversation and our discussion about sense of humor with our guys, our speaker in this afternoon. And yeah, before we end this situation, this condition, maybe let's say Bemci before we ended that. Okay, Bemci. More power, more confidence. All right. Thank you very much, guys, for the opportunity. Thank you, Kak Fikri. Thank you, Kak Sem. Thank you, Kak Nandas.
Thank you.
And yeah, sahabat Almarkas, wherever you are, stay tuned every Friday afternoon because yeah, we have a great program here in Radio Almarkas in 99.6 Radio Almarkas, sahabat Almarkas in Bemci Corner English Discussion. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.